I never in a million years thought I would get into gardening until my dad tragically died and everything changed. Moving states and getting to call this space my backyard has been a blessing and a huge part of my healing process. My dad's backyard was his baby. He was out there all day, every day. He loved gardening, so this is a way I feel connected to him, and it's been a really fun process. He would get a kick out of me growing cucumbers, tomatoes, and peppers and trying to live with the lizards. I have to yeet about 5 lizards a day off of my garden area, and don't even get me started on the snakes. I don't mess with them. James is deathly afraid of them, so we make a great team. He was a brave soldier for me today. He took my potting mix over to my garden section. Felt like 107 degrees, so I went inside, grabbed some ice water, and then got to work. I love my little gardening workstation. I got this on Amazon, but I want to spruce it up and give it some life. I'm still getting used to the summers in Florida. The torrential rain is no joke. As you can see, Exhibit A, the clouds look ominous and apocalyptic. However, give it 10 or 15 minutes and the sun will be shining yet again. I won't lie, I have fallen for a good southern summer storm. Such a vibe. It's so breezy outside, but still warm. You hope you don't get struck by lightning. There's a little drama, and my plants seem to love it. Back to decorating, I wanted to get some new pots and plants for this area just so I can bring in some color. I'm also trying my hand at some new plants and succulents. If you have a backyard, I highly recommend investing in one of these garden hose reels. It's mounted so you don't have to break your back bending down. It's retractable, super convenient. Honestly, one of our best purchases. It's looking cute, right? I'm going to be adding things here and there. I did try to add this hook myself. I never said I was good with tools, okay? I'm an independent feminist queen until power tools are involved. And that's the hill I'm willing to die on. I did add this container for all of my garden essentials. I'm just loving how lush and vibrant it looks. Who knew something so out of my comfort zone and my usual interests would bring me this much joy and peace? That just goes to show you, don't be afraid to try something new, because you never know what you're going to discover about yourself along the way. Happy gardening, friends!